Hi, welcome back to my channel once again. And as I promised, I'll tell you about very good, reputed, affordable colleges in abroad for studying MBBS, and this video is also going to about that. So today I'm going to talk about a college which is in the Asian country even I want to visit one day, that is Kyrgyzstan. So this college I'm going to talk about is International Higher School of Medicine. Talking about its history, it's 22-year-old, established in 2003. The alumni of 18,000 students and 3,500 students are currently mastering medical sciences training in the college on. So alumni is great, and trust me, alumni plays a very important role in the medical field. And you know what? इतना ही नहीं, IHSM is approved by NMC, W Agency for Accreditation of Educational Program, and WFMEIAR. Oh my god, it took a lot of me to even speak these next criteria. So NEET, obviously it should be qualified with PCB 50%, no entrance exam, direct admission. Wow. So अब course duration की बात करते हैं तो course duration will be 5+1 years and India में it's 5.5, so इतना कुछ difference है नहीं. And now let's talk about its hostel, college, clinics, hospital जहाँ पे आपको actually रहना है. It's located in the capital city of Kyrgyzstan. So let's come to the best part of this college. The best part of this college, unlike other colleges, that it provides a premium training program for its students. Basically, Procium, that is an e-learning platform where you can log in like me, and where you can log in and watch videos, solve modules, questions, and prepare for your exams like university exams, your lab, FMGE. Wow. And in this you will get 2D, 3D videos along with that, where you can watch anatomy lectures, and it made anatomy so easy. So IHSM has modern education buildings and classrooms for MBBS students, along with anatomy museums, anatomy dissection hall, and computer center, and it helps a lot in studying. So education की बात करें तो यहाँ पे faculties are highly experienced. They are from all over the country, and they are already taking care of patients, handling patients, teaching you, and they are involved in many researches. So if you want to go in research field or do research, you can also do that under their guidance. And clinical classes start as early as in second year, and you will get a good clinical exposure because they have 10 plus Vedanta chains. Further, hospital, as I already told, they have 10 plus Vedanta chains. They have their own hospital. Now let's come to the part we are most concerned about, especially us, that is fees. And so the fees will be 0.5 lakh per semester, and 25,000 per semester will be hostel fees. So the entire course is 6 years, so you can calculate like it will cost you about 20 to 35 lakh or something, and that is very affordable as compared to India or any private college, and जिसका हमें नहीं पता है क्या होगा क्या नहीं, and इतना कुछ वो भी, that's nice ना. So next, in the hostels are well furnished, well equipped, that with essential amenities, free Wi-Fi, and Indian food is that too available, because as a Indian we all know Indian food जैसा कुछ और तो है ही नहीं. Now let's come about what after 5 years you will do internship there, and इंटर्नशिप में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है पेशेंट लोड, दैट टू बहुत अच्छा है इनका. फर्दर इंटर्नशिप के बाद मोस्ट ऑफ यू विल कम टू बैक टू इंडिया. MGE passing rate is also very good. Even 1074 students passed in 2024, which is very good, trust me. But even after providing all these things, SYU, which is Selector University, which is best educational organization from last 14 years for studying MBBS abroad, is giving you all a free ticket to Bishek and Procium FMGE coaching program. मुझे तो ये बोलते हुए भी बिलीव नहीं हो रहा कि इतना सब कुछ वो भी फ्लाइट टिकट के साथ मिल रहा है. एंड रियली what are you waiting for? इतना अच्छा चांस को तो मिस कर ही नहीं सकते. So go and check out, and if you have more queries, register yourself in the link mentioned in the comments, as well as check out my bio and start following me and Select Your University on Instagram as well as YouTube, as much more videos are coming related to such good colleges. See you in the next part. All the best.